Hi guys, today I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on using artboards in Illustrator. The first thing that we're going to talk about is the Artboard Tool, which is at the bottom of the toolbar right here. You can enter it by clicking or using the keyboard shortcut Shift-O. And basically I've designed this 8.5 by 11 inch flyer on this artboard we have here. We can resize the artboard very easily with these white control points. And as you can see, the design itself doesn't get resized, just the artboard. So I'm going to go ahead and undo these changes. You can also move the artboard around just by hovering over the artboard itself and dragging it around. And if you want to create a new artboard, you can just click and drag on this gray canvas area to create a new artboard. Now, let's say we wanted to use this artboard to design the cover photo for this event that we have here on the flyer. What we're going to do is take this artboard over here, and up here in the width and height boxes, we can specify the dimensions of a Facebook cover photo, which are 851 pixels by 315 pixels. And that will give us the exact dimensions for a Facebook cover photo. The next thing that we have to do is basically duplicate the content from our flyer onto this artboard. So what I'm going to do is hold Alt on this pink box at first. And when I hold Alt, I get these double overlapping arrows, and I'm just going to drag this rectangle on top of the cover photo and resize it to fit on top of the artboard. And then I'm going to take the elements that I have and holding Shift, just select each of the ones that I want to bring over onto my cover photo. I like to use the gray space as a holding area for different elements that I'm going to use later in my design. So once I have these up here, the only thing that's left to do is arrange them onto my cover photo artboard. That is easy enough. Seems like a fine cover photo. So by using artboards in this way, you can create an entire set of promotional material for monitors, screens, and different social media platforms all in one Illustrator document. Now the next step is to export these images. So we're just going to go to File, Export. And if you look down here at the bottom, there's going to be a checkbox that says Use Artboards. Now if we don't check this, then both of the images that we've created here will be exported into one image file. So we're going to check this so that we can export them separately. One thing to keep in mind is that because one of these documents is going to be viewed on the internet, the cover photo, and one of them will be printed, we'll need to export these at different resolutions. So I'm going to deal with the cover photo first, Artboard 2. And 2 is already in the range box, so we don't have to type anything. So we're going to go to Export. And as you can see, the default resolution for this document is 300 pixels per inch. Because this is going to be viewed on a screen, we'll have to go to Screen, 72 pixels per inch. If you accidentally export this at 300 pixels per inch, you'll end up with an image that's multiple times larger than the precise pixel dimensions that we specified. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK and export that. And we're going to do the same thing for the printed one. File, Export, Use Artboards, Range. This time we're going to select Artboard 1. Click Export. And because this will be printed, the default print resolution is the highest one, 300 pixels per inch. So we're just going to go ahead and select that and click OK. And if I slide over to this Finder window, I can see that I have both of my documents right here, Artboard 1 and Artboard 2. Thanks for watching.